What's up guys, it's Eli with Shine Division Detailing. Today I'm working on this Tesla Model Y. It came in for my polish and ceramic coating service. This is a brand new vehicle and the goal of this service is to get the paint into top-notch condition and apply a fresh layer of ceramic coating. Now that might sound interesting given it's a brand new vehicle, however you would be surprised how this vehicle comes from the factory. A lot of times you have light swirls in the finish, contamination buildup from the trucks, trailers, dealership lots, and also factory defects, which include little sanding defects throughout the hood. So I include a polishing step to improve the clarity, remove any haze, light marring, and get this really deep red gloss finish before applying a sacrificial barrier of protection over the paint. The ceramic coatings are going to crystallize, forming a glass layer, and that gets applied to the paint, the plastics, and also the wheel faces to keep your maintenance routine in check. If you're looking to get a ceramic coating applied to your vehicle, please feel free to reach out. Happy to go over some options over the phone or bring it in for a consultation for the most accurate quote.